Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, you all saw the gas tank video, and I kind of alluded to something I wanted to do to the car for a while, knowing that I got fresh paint on and how the fuel filler always spits gas back out. So I came up with a little drain on the bottom of the fill tube, just past the inlet. Let me show you what we got. This is what I came up with. So when this is installed, got this little half-inch piece of fuel line, steel, welded to the bottom here, and I just have a plug on there right now just because. Alright, well you can see this is installed, clamps on, and it's got a nice downward flow, straight down, so if any fuel kind of backs up the fill tube, it'll drain straight down without a problem. The vent tube is still clear for venting vapors out, because it's up high, where it's supposed to be, and this is back far enough where when you put the nozzle in, the nozzle is going to go past that. So everything should be covered. This should be fine for any, like if you take a corner, it kind of runs up the tube. It'll help with that. If you overfill and it expands, maybe your vent tube is clogged for some reason, maybe an insect climbed in the bottom hole and filled it in, who knows. But this should help a little bit. I mean, if you're not paying attention, you overfill, it's still going to splash back. And when we know the exhaust comes out this side, and then the vent tube is right there. I should say the drain tube. I mean, if you're looking for it, you'll see it. It just pops out through that body plug and drains safely to the ground. That's what it looks like on the inside. So I was able to get a long file down in there, kind of file it down a little bit so it's nice and smooth. So when the fuel does come up, it will kind of hopefully hit that drain. It's dead center in the bottom and come down that drain tube. Well, that's it. That's my solution, simple solution to a common problem that I think we all have with these earlier A-bodies. That, you know, you take a corner on a full tank of gas and that fuel comes right up that fill tube, and the 55-year-old gas cap seal is not that great. Fuel just starts dumping out the side. So this will help with that a bit. Overfilling the fuel tank, probably not so much. If you're not paying attention when you're filling the tank, it's still going to splash back. So pay attention. Don't fill it completely full if you can help it. But if you do and you don't splash out the side, hopefully this will solve a bit of the problem. Hey, got to try something, right? Fresh paint, got to protect it. All right, smash that like button. And if you like what we're doing here on the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.